Hi, folks. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. And this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So click that first link in the description below. Now back to the review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase a PLR. It shows you how you can modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. It includes a Word document, a PDF, a file, and images, and a PLR license. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic. Bonus number 3 is that shows you a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr, so that when you get a high converting gig, as an example, you buy it for someone on Fiverr at a lower price and then sell it to your buyer at a higher price. Bonus number 4, you'll learn how to create a passive income, and this is a crucial thing. It's recurring passive income, and that's an important thing to remember. And bonus number 5 will show you how to supercharge your results within an evolutionary system. It'll show you how you can earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while spending only 15 minutes a day running the entire system. And not only that, you receive a done-for-you high-converting website, and all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, the vendor of this product is Paul Nichols, and he's a well-known Elite Warrior Plus vendor and creator. His products always sell like hotcakes, and he has over 52,000 sales on the Warrior Plus platform alone. Now, this is the winner, folks. He created these videos because he had a client who was looking for ways to overcome her fear of failure. And he tried them on social media, and they went viral. In a nutshell, Conquering Fear viral videos it's a PLR bundle designed for TikTok, Shorts, and Reels, and you can edit them as your own. Here are some things you should know about this product. You know, fear is about the various stressors we face, but we can also overcome it. The videos are about 7 seconds long and fast-moving. They show you multiple methods of overcoming fear and are professionally created and engaging. And you get a full private label rights, step-by-step training, and several bonuses besides the one that you'll receive from mine. Now check out the sales page and buy through my link. Here's a bit of a quick look at what the viral videos look like. Now, as I mentioned, these are fast moving, and so they're about 7 seconds long, and they're very active. So embrace fear as a teacher leading you to greatness. Fear is temporary. Regret is permanent. The only thing standing between you and your dreams is fear. So conquer it. Fear is a mirage. Keep moving forward. The greatest victory is the one over your own fears. Fear is the enemy of progress. Face it head on, and so on. The sales funnel looks like this. The front end's for $12.95 for 300 viral videos on Conquering Fear. OTO1, there's 5 OTOs. OTO1 is even more viral videos with PLR for $37. OTO2 is a marketing video with PLR for $27. OTO3 video infographics with PLR for $27. OTO4 is Inner Circle membership with a monthly fee of $9.95. And if you want a lifetime membership, then that is $197. Now watch for the downsells, because there are some downsells, but you will save some money, but you might get less product. Now, if you need to know more, click that second link below and get the full story. And before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below, and my 5 bonuses, plus the bonuses that you will receive with this product. And they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, how to gain recurring income online easily, and how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product. Now, thank you for watching, folks, and we'll see you next time. And don't forget to click on that $10,000 a month opportunity for you and purchase the product through my link below.